What is up guys, welcome back to a new video. So in today's video I'm going to wax my car. I'm gonna show you the result before and after. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button or go on my channel and check it out. If you like it, you can subscribe also. And thank you for that 140 subscribers. I know it's been a while since I've been vlogging because it was raining. It is the raining season right now. So let's jump into this video. Welcome back guys. So these are the tools we are going to use today. A soft microfiber towel and a sponge, a polishing tool, and we're gonna put this on the cordless drill. And most important is this rubbing compound, turtle wax. As you can see, I have a little bit only, so I'm not gonna do the whole car today. I'm going to show you some part of the car, how it's gonna work. So welcome back guys. So as you can see right here on the door handle, it's a little mark that doesn't come off even though you wash it. But let's put on some wax and polish it. But before we do that, we need to wash this whole door so we can polish it correctly. So as you can see guys, the mark is still here and the clear coat is kind of fading away, but we're gonna polish it and I'm gonna show you guys the difference. Take a good look at the door. I washed it already and the mark is still here also. And let's polish the car. look at the difference, guys. The mark is gone with just a little bit of wax. So I'm going to do the whole door now. Welcome back, guys. So if you made it to the end of today's video, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe also. And I think it's gonna rain. Let me show you the weather real quick. So should I put this wheel on my car just to see how it looks? Comment down below. So that's it, guys. See you in the next video.